Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to download or install crypto.com onto your desktop or PC. So in order to download crypto.com on your desktop, you have to follow the steps. So when you open up a browser and you go to crypto.com, this is an official website of the crypto.com app. It's going to take you to the official page, but then you'll not be able to find any sort of information or any sort of options in order to download the following applications. So unfortunately, there's no such thing as downloading crypto.com for the desktop, or there's no such desktop version. What you can do is, in order to download the crypto.com app, you have to download a third-party application or an Android emulator, BlueStacks, and from there you could go ahead and install crypto.com into your device. So by following the steps, you should be able to download and install crypto.com on your desktop or PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.